Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Cassandra Good coming to you live from my home office here in Albany, Georgia. And today, ladies and gentlemen, again, I'm bringing you another video on Live Good. But this video, ladies and gentlemen, is about commitment. It's about commitment. And I know many of you all have been on my channel for many years, and then some of you all are new to my channel. And if you are, please go ahead and subscribe, because I have some wonderful news for you, and I need you to understand exactly where I'm coming from if you want to stay on this particular channel. So subscribe to this channel. Please go ahead and hit that notification bell so that anytime that I upload a video, you'll be the first to know. You don't have to listen to someone else saying, hey, did you know that Cassandra uploaded a video? Well, ladies and gentlemen, I want to talk to you about commitment. And what does that mean to you from me, or from me to you? What it means absolutely unequivocally is that I am in love with Live Good. I am actually in love with the products. I'm in love with what they stand for. I'm in love with the vision. I'm in love with the mission statement that we have. And this is my commitment to you. Ladies and gentlemen, you don't have to worry about me going anywhere, because Live Good, I have found home. I have found home. Now, over the course of the time, you will definitely see me share multiple different ways that you can actually get Live Good out there. And this video is about my commitment in sharing that with you. A lot of you all will come to me and ask me exactly what kind of system do you have. Cassandra, how are you all sharing it? You see leaders all over YouTube. You see leaders all over different social media platforms. You see all of that. Well, I need you to know all of us are connected. All of us are tied together. That's why you're seeing the level best of commitments, and also the level best of the results that we are sharing. We are growing because we're all connected. And what does that mean? That means that you will actually grow when you join us as well. Now, I understand completely about sponsor shopping. You want to definitely find the best placement. You want to make sure exactly who are you teaming up with, and will they be able to help you get to the level of excellence and also the level of financial gain that you're looking to secure from the Live Good platform. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I'm here to tell you, since we're all connected, we will definitely give our best shot at making sure that you do that. But here's the thing. I need everybody to understand this too. You cannot make a person do something that they might not want to do. All you can do is present the tools and the resources to them, and it's up to them to roll up their sleeves and get to work. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I'm always getting to work. I'm always going to keep busy, and I'm always going to share with you exactly what I'm seeing is giving our team the results. What does that mean? That means that not only am I getting results, but that means the team is getting results because of the tools and resources that we're actually using. And so with that being said, I want to show you the tools that we're using. Now, here's the thing. The funny thing about this is the tools that we're using is the reason why our #1 leader is on the leaderboard like he is. Okay, so that doesn't mean that you would lose out because you're not in that position. Okay, I need you to understand that too. All of this takes work, focus, dedication, persistence, and consistency. They all run side by side. That's the only way you will find success, not only in just Live Good, but in anything that you tap into. And we have the tools and the resources to actually do that. So I want to go over there to you. I want to go over to the next page, and I want to show you exactly what tools and resources we're actually using, so that you know without a doubt that you'll find success as well when you tap into our Live Good opportunity. Here, you get a chance to see the tool and resources and the system that we are actually using. I haven't seen anything like this. I have been connected with this young man 2 years now. 2 years with another platform opportunity that he had from the Warrior Forum and Warrior Plus. And I have got to say, I have had nothing but success. He knows how to put tools together. He knows how to put the resources together. He knows how to put it together in such a way that everybody can duplicate, not just him. He does not leave any stone left unturned. There is no mystery. And you know what I mean by this. A lot of times people will give you a platform and say, hey, do this, and this is the holy grail to it. And they'll leave out some golden nuggets that really make it churn, really make it give you the conversions that you need, and really give you the results so that you too can earn the commissions that many people on the leaderboard, like myself as well, is actually getting. So, ladies and gentlemen, I want you to know first and foremost, we're all using the same platform. It's just how are you taking it to the next level? What kind of work are you putting into it? Please don't look at somebody else and wonder why yours is not working versus theirs working. There's a degree of commitment that people are willing to give. And if a person, I look at it this way, if you're willing to give a job, a just over broke 30 to 40 years of your life, and with uncertainty and unknowing exactly what the end result is going to be, then why don't you give yourself at least a year to 2 years to commit to create not only a 5-figure monthly income, but possibly a 6-figure annual income for yourself and your family that will take care of you for the rest of your lives. Trust me, ladies and gentlemen, Livegood is not going anywhere. But we want to make sure that each and every one of you all that join us have the tools, the adequate tools that you need in place to be successful. And we have that. So, ladies and gentlemen, I thank you so much for coming on in here. Again, viewing my video on my YouTube channel. If you're not a subscriber, please go ahead and hit that subscriber button. If you have not, let me tell you, if you have not already joined Livegood, and there's plenty of you all who haven't, you're waiting to see when the ball is going to drop. I'm telling you, the ball has dropped, and many are rolling right into success in their own court of life with Livegood. So definitely please click the link below. Let us team up, let us partner up, use these fantastic resources and tools so that you can build your Livegood business as well. We are growing by leaps and bounds. There is plenty of room for you. Trust me, trust me. You will not be disheartened by any means. You will not be disheartened. You will be one of the happy campers like thousands of us have already are, and plus there is so much room for growth here, and the compensation plan is so simplified, it's insane. So I'm looking for your success story next with us on our Livegood team. I love each and every one of you all. God bless, and I'll speak to you soon.